Many reward apps work by giving points for activities like surveys, shopping offers, receipts, or other tasks instead of requiring continuous location tracking. By the end, you'll know how to identify reward apps that do not require location access, what permissions to review before signing up, and how to choose apps that collect only the information needed for their features. The first thing to check is the app permission list before creating an account. On most phones, you can review whether an app requests access to your location, camera, contacts, microphone, or other device features. A reward app that does not need location access should explain how you earn rewards without relying on where you are. For example, an app focused on surveys usually needs your answers and profile information to match you with available tasks. Location access is sometimes requested for specific features, such as offers based on nearby stores or local deals. If you do not want to share your location, check whether the app allows you to use other features without enabling that permission. Your next step is reading the privacy settings. A good reward app should explain what information it collects, how it uses that information, and what choices you have inside your account settings. Avoid installing apps that ask for unrelated permissions before showing you how the reward system works. If an app's main feature does not require a certain permission, you should understand why it is requesting access. The reward system also matters. Check how the app explains earning points, completing tasks, and redeeming rewards. Clear rules make it easier to know whether the app is worth your time. Before spending hours on a reward app, test the basic experience. Look at the available tasks, the information required, and whether the app works with only the permissions you are comfortable sharing. You should also keep your phone settings updated and review permissions regularly. Apps can change features over time, and checking settings helps you stay in control of your information. The best reward apps are not just about earning points. They are also about understanding what data you share in exchange for using the service. Before downloading a reward app, check 3 things: the permissions it requests, the privacy controls it provides, and whether the rewards match the effort required. If this guide helped you understand how to find reward apps without unnecessary location tracking, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and money-saving tools.